Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lexyonce, the best of the best and a real attitude. 2 weeks ago, Ninja Man suffered from a heart attack, and now this week he was found guilty and may be facing life in prison. They will be determining his fate on December 15th. Early retirements for Tifa is in the air. Last week, Tifa had an interview with DJ Black Barbie, stating that she may be retiring early.
I'm gonna give you a bite, and it's gonna be a little bittersweet. Don't be surprised if at the end of 2018 Tifa retires. But before I retire, you guys will have the album. I've never done an album in the 9 to 10 years that I've been doing this, so
female artists don't leave yet. We look a bit more, yeah.
So there's an Instagram warring stirring up between Tommy Lee and Alkaline.
Yeah man, a VIM man, very important murder. Some boy a VIC, a very important coward. Even my name.
Later on, Alkaline then posted something in response of what he said about very important coward. How will this war be hashed out? Maybe a lyrical battle? Maybe bring it back to Sting like old days? We don't know. Seems like Fat Boy SC not stop. He made a guest appearance in Alkaline's video Pretty Girl Team, and here's a sneak peek.
One knee up. Get into like a little doggy style position. Let's go. Yeah, like that. Move back. Now I'm gonna get low. I ain't doing nothing. What you looking at? Stretch. Let's go. What are you looking at?
That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.
And happy Thanksgiving to all who in that fire and I celebrate. Me, I'm some good food here. Okay. Finish my video.
Ariana's project as her stand for.
Mommy, you're cutting into my time.
That's why you did a video like that?
Yes.